If I tell you everything in this store is at 50% off today, what will you do? आप क्या करोगे? ZUDIO, the company itself, is at 50% off. Yes, you heard it right. ZUDIO, the company itself, is at 50% off. Just imagine with me, if you get a chance to buy a top branded shirt worth of rupees 1000 at just 500, isn't it the best deal? 5 months back, ZUDIO share was trading at just 8,000 rupees and now it's trading at just 3,500, approximately 50% lower. Shopping doesn't make us rich. Only investing makes us rich. Always think it. I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor or research analyst. I am here as a friend just to bring these best buy watch lists to your notice so that you don't miss a chance like what Corona gave us and we missed it. I have more surprises for you at the end of this video. Please don't skip, watch till the end. I will ask you 2 questions, genuine answerly. Have you ever seen ZUDIO empty? Or will you ever stop buying, shopping? अब शॉपिंग बंद करेंगे क्या? बिल्कुल never. ZUDIO is owned by Trend and it's traded as Trend Limited in stock market. Here comes the first surprise. This Trend also owns Westside, ZUDIO, Landmark and few other brands like Utsa, Samou and Misbu. Not only this, even Zara is also operated by Trend as a joint venture. See, if you buy a share of Trend, it's not only you buying only the ZUDIO. It's like you are buying a share of ZUDIO, Westside, Landmark and all other brands. Now, the second surprise is Trend is a Tata company, our favorite Ratan Tata ji. Stay with me for 2 more surprises. Before that, in 30 seconds, I will complete this basics analysis. See, in 2022, it made around 4,500 crore sales, and in 23, it made 8,000 crore sale. In 24, 12,000 crore sale, and 25, 17,000 crore, and 26, it's expected to close around 20,000 crore. In all these 5 years, it's profitable, net profitable. Every year, there is a 4,000 crore rupees sales rise constantly. If you say in percent, it won't be constant. But if you need a full analysis, I will do it in separate video. A disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor or SEBI research analyst. Talk with your financial advisor before investing. The surprise 3. Companies like Raymond, Bata and Titan give special discount to their shareholders in the range of 10 to 25%. Currently, ZUDIO, Westside and Landmark are not providing any such discount for shareholder, but in future, if they provide, that will be a good saving. There are chances because Titan is a Tata company. The 4th surprise is big. The chairman of this company, Trend, is Noel Tata, who is the own step brother of Ratan Tata ji. Now this Noel Tata has become the Tata Sons chairman, which was held by Ratan Tata. He is the heir of Tata. Since this company is directly under Noel Tata, we can trust. Tata has always been the trusted name in India. What you guys think? Comment below. If you know all these details, comment I know. If these sales are new and helpful for you, comment great. If you want me to talk about any specific share or topic, comment that too. I will reply in all your comments. I will make a new video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel so that it will encourage me to do more. Subscribe to me to see me in next video. Thank you. Signing off. This is your Gautam Gomathisan. Thank you.